Just got myself a coffee, let's go arrange some flowers. Born a rebel? Let's meet the ingredients for this week's arrangement. We've got some beautiful avalanche roses, some glorious irises, some rather amazing waxflower, and crispy white lisianthus. Always remember your flower care. Trim an inch off the ends of all your stems. And use your flower food. Start with your roses in an even triangle around the edge of your vase. Do the same with your lisianthus, filling the gaps. Fill out the middle with your lovely waxflower. And pop your final rose upright in the middle. And then dot your irises throughout. And there we have it, a glorious seasonal treat. I hope you love it.